Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about the NREGA data analysis using Power BI. This project delves into the analysis of data related to the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, a transformative government scheme aimed at providing rural households with guaranteed wage employment opportunities. The dataset used for this analysis encompasses a wide range of parameters, including the number of job cards issued, the workforce engaged, budget allocation, work completion statistics, and much more. Through the application of data analytics techniques, we aim to gain a valuable insights into the implementation and impact of the NREGA across different states and districts in India. First, we see the effectiveness of NREGA in providing employment opportunities to rural households. Here we can see that the total number of active jobs are 97 millions. The total number of active workers are 175 millions. The total number of job cards issued are 156 million. Here we have done two visuals, top 10 states by total number of active workers. Here the top state is West Bengal with 18.4 million active workers. And the second visual is the percentage of differently abled person by top 10 states. Here Tamil Nadu has the highest percentage of 28.14%. Next we see the regional disparities in the implementation and outcomes of the scheme. Here we have used the map visual to see the completion rate by states, and we have used other two visuals to see the SC and ST workers against active workers. Next we see the utilization of allocated budget. Here we have used the funnel graph, and we see the average of approved labor budget by different district names. Next, we see the key factors contributing to the completion of NREGA works. Here, we have done two visuals, that is completed versus ongoing work in different regions and the expenditure distributions. Next, we see the scheme's impact. Here, we have plotted a visual for expenditure categories versus number of households work, and then we have used a donut chart to see the NRM expenditure distribution, where the sum of percentage of NRM expenditure is 19.55k, that is 33.17% of the total, and the sum of percentage of category B works is 39k, that is 66.83% of the total. And this is the final dashboard which represents the different key performance indicators. And in conclusion, we can say that across all 10 district names, the average of SC workers against the active workers ranged from 1,52,685 to 5,87,213, and the average of ST workers against active workers ranged from 2,644 to 1,66,056. Across all 10 district names, the average of total number of active job cards range from 5,14,439 to 7,78,650, and the average total number of job cards issued ranged from 6,42,006 to 12,35,377. Thank you guys.